Because I don't know why, whenever I get bored, there's just something interesting about him, and I can't explain it.
There's nothing interesting about him. You just go there, you know, that's where you can go.
You guys don't notice him, that's why you guys should look at him more.
If I no laugh, I go cry. So it's better I laugh, even if I have to force it.
At least now, guys, you can agree with me that Ozee is the main player of these two. Like, he knows what he's doing. He's using these two people. And at the end of the day, if Ebuka asks him questions on Sunday, he will deny as usual, you know, being the lawyer he is. And you know how smart he is in answering questions. The boys have speak English. So he's basically using these people to play his game very well. 1 minute he's with ONYEKA, second minute he's with Victoria. So you'll be guessing who exactly is this guy interested in. Do you understand? Just to be relevant in the house. The fact that ONYEKA is enjoying this guy's company is making me laugh and enjoy it. She also knows what she's doing as well, because she wants to dance to this tune till she gets to the finals, even if it didn't work, because already she knows that this guy has a girl outside the house, so obviously it's not going to work. Please guys, kindly ignore my baby's voice. So back to what I was saying, this minute is with Victoria, and then Victoria is just enjoying herself. And the fact that Victoria is still maintaining herself, even though she knows that she likes Ozee, and then Ozee actually likes her as well. Or maybe he's acting, I don't know. She still don't bother about if he comes or if he doesn't come around. But ONYEKA has, you know, developed a thing for the guy. Even when the sister actually told her that, you know, I know you very well. She said, nothing is happening. Stop looking after me like I'm a baby. Stuff like that. And I still remember that conversation of Cassia and Victoria, where Cassia was like, I know the reason why you're coming close to these guys, because of their connects, they are up there, and because of her business, you know, to, you know, make her know people that will, you know, patronize her business. Do you understand? She didn't, you know, she didn't go against that, but she just laughed. That's also a smart move, because the reason why you connect with people is to, you know, get up there, but not in a bad way anyway. I mean in a good way. But the truth remains that anywhere Victoria sees ONYEKA and Ozee, she kind of feels some kind of way. Likewise, ONYEKA seeing Victoria and Ozee, she almost cries whenever she sees them. Like, he doesn't care much about her. So, and this is what the guy in question is enjoying, because that's what keeps him relevant, and that's what makes him important in that situationship. Because two people are fighting for your connect, two people are fighting for your attention, but not one is actually pushing hard, the other one is reluctantly doing it. Do you understand? That is just the situation of ONYEKA and Victoria, and then Ozee being the middleman there. So you see that when you look at it, you will know that he's actually the one playing them, not them playing him. He's the one playing them. Do you understand? But I don't know if they know, especially ONYEKA. So guys, I also like to know your opinion. Do you actually feel that Ozee is playing these two like I think, or do you think otherwise? I may say yes, that ONYEKA them actually knows that he's playing them, because both knows that he has somebody outside. But I don't know if it's genuine feelings or just she's playing along. But if you ask me, this guy is the person playing these two, because two of them are having issues because of him. And he's always in the middle of the conversation that ONYEKA always brings up about him not caring for her. Do you understand? So, and you remember that OC, his twin, I always tell him, don't invest too much in these people. Just have to be focused, because, you know, outside world, you have somebody to look after. Do you get? So, I don't think they are playing him. I think he's the one playing them anyway. But I just feel that maybe they are playing along with the whole team to whoever that succeeds to be in the finals, something like that. So if you watched to this point, thank you guys so much. And if you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you guys so much for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.